Hey, what's going on, traders? Once again, it's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right, putting down another video for you. Another day, another dollar. You know how it goes. Time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick will be actually for tomorrow, which will be February 21st, 2020. But before we get into that, don't forget we got some business to take care of. That's right, that little transaction we call liking the video. Yep, that's right. Click the thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell notification anytime I put up some new content, new video, or go live. You'll definitely be right there rocking and rolling with me. So no diggity, no doubt. Check it out. All right, let's get into it with no further ado. Time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker DBX. That is Dropbox. Well, Dropbox had its earnings today, and guess what? Dropbox shares initially were up 17% before settling into 7% in after-hours trading today after the file sharing service reported fourth quarter earnings that beat Wall Street estimates. That's right. In a conference call with analysts later, Dropbox Chief Executive Drew Houston says Dropbox's goal is to become profitable on the GAAP basis by the end of the year. The company also reported jumps in paying users to 14.3 million and the average revenue per user to $125. I gotta say, I'm one of those users. I use Dropbox and I pay about $100 something a year for it. Dropbox reported a net loss of 6.6 million or 2 cents a share in the quarter, compared with a net loss of 9.5 million or 2 cents a share in the year ago fourth quarter. Revenue improved 19% to 446 million from 375.9 million a year ago. Analysts surveyed by FactSet had an expected loss of 3 cents a share on the sales of 443 million, so they beat that. Dropbox shares are down 26.9% over the last 12 months. The broader S&P 500 index, SPX, has gained 21.6 in the last year compared to Dropbox's 26.9 down. So definitely way off the mark on the S&P 500, but hopefully things will be looking up for Dropbox. But as always, as technical traders, we always got to look to the charts to see what's going on. With my hot pick of the day, of course, the ticker DBX, that is Dropbox. Now, if we take a look at the intraday chart right here on Dropbox, you can see it closed at 1871, got that initial 17% jump up to about 2195, and then pulled back all the way to this 1960, and it now is revolving around this 2073 level. You can see these Fibonacci retracements were already here. I've had these quite a while. I believe these were placed back in August or so when I was trading it previously. So now let's go to a bigger time frame chart to see where I got these levels from. As you can see, the daily, let's go to the 184 hour. I believe that's where I got it from. Yep, right here back, let's see, back here on August 8th, I believe it had a big drop from this 22 all the way to this 1960, and it's been traveling in this range for all this time, hitting this lows of 1753 on my retracement, and this 2127 is actually the 50% retracement level that it is rejecting right here. And so we want to watch that level tomorrow for sure on the intraday. You can see that's where I got this level on this 4-hour 180-day chart. So we would definitely want to see it break above this 2127 to get some bullish momentum. But if we look at the daily chart to see where Dropbox is, it opened back here on the IPO at about 2630, had a high of 2649, and that's the highest Dropbox has been since, as it faded off, popped back up here, almost tested highs at this 2620-ish level, and then dumped down as low as this $17 level, and it's just been chopping between this 17 and 2127, the level it's testing right now. You can see it kind of tested that level, came back down, double top, and then dropped and broke even these lows of $17 all the way to 16, and I was struggling to hold this 1753 level for a while. Kind of broke down and then was trying to hold this $18 level, 1822. Moving averages started pointing back up, crossing over, and the 200 was all the way up here, but now we can see it is about here at this 2127 level. So let's go back to the intraday chart to get a closer perspective on it. You see this 2127 level was still relevant after all these months. You figure September, October, November, December, January, February, about 6 months, and these Fibonacci retracement levels are still relevant to this day. This orange line right here you can see is the 200 SMA on the daily at 2032. So tomorrow, what we want to see, we definitely want to see a hold of this 2032, which is the 200 SMA on the daily daily, and then a breakout would have to be over this 2127, which is the 50% retracement from way back in August. If we can get over this 2127, we should be looking up to this 22 area, maybe even start heading back up to the 25 mark and possibly testing all-time highs. Now, Dropbox has this ATR of only 49 cents, so this is a huge move for it. This is like a $3-4 move, so it's like 4, 5, maybe 6 times this ATR. But like I said, with earnings, and the price is only $20, so these could get some momentum if they can take away some of the hype from space and Tesla that's been hogging up all the market money the last couple days and the last couple weeks. So we're definitely going to see if we can get some buying power into this Dropbox move. If it can, hopefully we can see them move up. But definitely key levels to watch tomorrow: 2032, the 200 SMA for a bounce, and a break over this 2127 to get on the bullish side momentum over this 50% retracement level back in August. So those are definitely the ones you want to watch. A break below this 2032, we can see it come back and test lows if no one gets interested in it. All right, so simple, real easy. You can pause the video, write down these retracement levels as they will be relevant tomorrow, and that's quick and simple my technical analysis on the ticker DBX, my hot pick of the day, Dropbox. There you go. There you have it. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker DBX. That is Dropbox. Now, as always, takes a lot to put these videos together, and all I ask from you in return, just 3 clicks of your mouse. Real simple, real easy. That's right. Be sure to smash those buttons. Like the video, click number 1, click number 2, subscribe to the channel, click number 3, hit that bell notification anytime I put up some new content, new video, go live, all that good stuff. You'll be right there with me. Now, World Series of Day Trading, day number 2. As you know, day number 1, down 3,000, hit the limit that you can lose. Day number 2 was doing really well. I think when I signed off the live stream, I was up 1,800, so I cut into that debt. Went as high as 2,500, and then I traded space. I put in my stop. I walked away, and when I came back, I guess for some reason, I'm not exactly sure. I didn't really double check. I don't know if my stop loss didn't trigger, or I put the wrong stop loss, or it was a user error. I'm not sure, but I came back to, yep, past that limit and blew it out. So I am knocked out of the World Series of Day Trading. Yep, your boy is out of the competition, but another lesson learned, man. You got to deal with that many shares. You can't rely on stop losses, and you got to double check your order flow and make sure it's not a user error. But glad it was the real money. It was just a competition, so it's all good. But I will be trading my options account tomorrow, and maybe go live again. I kind of like it, so definitely lock on into that. So yep, out of the competition, but I'll see you guys tomorrow for some pre-market action, and maybe some trading in the morning with some options with my TD account. All right, it's all good. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Day Trader, signing on out, reminding you to plan your trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.